Starting from a basic formula in 1996, Guangdong Innovative Fine Chemical has been standing together regardless of situation, and in the accumulation of originality, is marching from following to leading, deeply engaged in textile chemical for more than 30 years. With great industrial power, Innovative Chemical has strengthened the industrial foundation. Now, we have several modern production bases, covering an area of about 50,000 square meters, and the construction area is about 80,000 square meters, relying on highly automated professional workshops and high-efficiency warehousing system. Innovative Chemical has achieved LEAP production capacity of 80,000 tons per year. In the world of weaving, more than 30 years is long enough for a drop of auxiliary to cross mountains and seas. From pretreatment, dyeing, printing, to functional finishing, our products include 4 major categories, covering more than 100 types, especially in the field of silicone finishing. Innovative Chemical has won the trust of thousands of dyeing mills all over the world with unique technical style. Real innovation is not satisfied with current situation. Innovative Chemical always complies with the strict international standards. We built R&D bases with Sichuan University and Hunan Institute of Engineering, as well as gathered industry-renowned experts and professors. We constantly improve and break traditional textile boundaries. Meanwhile, centering on Guangzhou Yinker Chemical and Shantou Bluelakechem, Innovative Chemical has 4 major branches covering Guangdong Shantou, Guangxi Pingnan, Fujian Jinjian, and Zhejiang Shaoxing. To build an agile supply chain, true chemical wisdom originates from nature and returns to ecology. What we deliver to the world is not only environmentally friendly and improved formulas, but also a complete set of solutions for green printing and dyeing. Innovative Chemical, from today on, will innovate textile printing and dyeing process together with you.